This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a blog in Jimdo. First, you will need to log into your Jimdo account and choose the website you wish to edit. Next, simply go to your website's menu, select Blog, then Settings, and toggle the status to activate your blog. Jimdo will then automatically add a blog page to your site's navigation, making it super easy to get started with your new blogging journey. Now that your blog is active, let's create your first post. Head to the menu, click Blog, then Posts, and select New Post. Here, you can add a compelling title, set the publication date, assign a category, and write a brief summary. The intuitive editor allows you to easily insert various content types, including text, engaging images, and even videos, bringing your stories to life for your readers. To make your posts even better, Jimdo offers great customization options. You can fine-tune advanced settings like creating unique URL endings and enabling comments to foster reader interaction. Organize your content with categories and relevant tags, which helps readers find your articles and improves search engine visibility. Don't forget to add eye-catching images, videos, and social sharing buttons to make your posts more dynamic and shareable. Once your post is ready, it's time to share it with the world. Go to Blog, then Posts, and click the eye icon next to your article to publish it live. After publishing, make sure to share your new content across your social media channels to maximize its reach. Consistently updating your blog with fresh, valuable content is key to building an engaged audience and ensuring your blog continues to grow over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.